There are two types of FPUs, series flow and parallel flow boxes. Each type has somewhat different characteristics. In a series FPU, the fan is in series with the primary airflow, but the suction of the fan is also open to the return air plenum. The fan operates continuously. In maximum cooling mode, the primary air damper is entirely open, and the pressure in the primary duct means that most of the air passing through the fan is cool supply air. As the need for cooling drops off, the damper closes, but the volume of discharge air remains constant as the fan starts to pull in warmer air from the return opening. This action causes the discharge temperature to increase. Some series FPUs have provisions for changing the fan speed. Fan speed affects the balance of plenum to primary air, which affects outlet air temperature. A misadjusted, above normal fan speed will pull in excessive warm plenum air, creating a high discharge air temperature that may become the source of a hot call. Fan speed also affects the overall system air balance. The fan speed should only be set during air balancing. It should not be used as a method to change the local temperature. A series FPU may also use a reheater downstream of the fan if the application requires additional heat.